Now when an object is placed between C and F, okay, now this is the image formed. Take a ray, same type, 16 centimeter, or you can take 8 centimeter, then 2 centimeter. Okay, now this point is P. This point is P. This point is P. This point is P and this point 4 centimeter F and there 4 centimeter C. Now draw like this. This is the concave mirror. Now object is placed in between C and F. Object is placed in between C and F. C and F. C and F. C and F. Now AB is the object. 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 Now take a ray parallel to the principal axis. Principal axis and draw a line which is passes through the F. It reflects and passes through the F, and take another line which is passes through the F and reflects like this, reflects like this. Okay, they are intersect each other. Then this point is draw a parallel from the principal axis to this point. Now this is the image formed. Now this is the image formed. Okay, now what is the nature of the image? Now position is beyond C. Position is beyond C. And the image formed is big and inverted and real. So what are the nature of the image? Position is beyond C. When position is between C and F, position is beyond C and big, inverted and real. So this is the nature of the image formed when an object is placed between C and F. Okay. So now let us move on to the next one. Now the position of the image object is at F. So now see here. Same, draw 16 centimeter. Here, this point is P, this point is P, and take 4 centimeter away from P, that is F. Then again 4 centimeter away from F, that is C, that is C, that is C, that is C. Now draw a mirror like this. Draw a mirror like this. So now object at F. Object is kept F. Object is kept F. AB is the object. Now draw parallel. from the point B parallel to the principal axis, and that reflects from F, like this, and extend behind like this, and take one more ray from B, that is falls on mirror and reflect like this. So if we extend both the sides, they are parallel. So therefore image is formed at infinite distance. We can't see the image. So therefore it is not possible to tell the nature of the image. So now let us move on to the next one. Now the position of the object is in between F and P. The last F and P. Now this is the ray diagram. So here the position is between F and P. Then image is formed behind the mirror. This is not a real image. This is virtual image. We can't get on the screen, but you can see through the mirror. And this is big image and not inverted, as you can see your image in mirror, plane mirror also not inverted. Okay. So now let us see how to draw the diagram. Now take 16 centimeter. More than 16 is enough, because here we have to extend behind the mirror. So now take a point here P. From that 4 centimeter F. From that 4 centimeter, remember C is always 2 times of F. So this is C. So you can't get a clear diagram if the distance between these are not kept equidistance. This is 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter. Then draw a mirror like this. Then only you can easily draw. Okay. So now kept here between P and F. Object is kept between P and F. Now AB is the object. Draw a line from C like this. Okay. And draw another line which is falls on this P and reflect in the same angle, produce in the behind. Here remember, this is the same angle it reflect and produce the ray behind. Now they are intersect each other. Then this is the image formed inside the mirror. So therefore this is the position of the image inside the mirror or behind the mirror. Okay, behind the mirror, and this is the big and erect. So this is the virtual image, erect and big and inside the mirror. So this is the special diagram in out of 6. Okay, I think you are clear. So go through 1 or 2 times, then you can clear. Okay, this is the image form. So now evaluation. When at infinity between C and F, same size, real, inverted. Just beyond C, rays are not like this. Here we can show this like this. At infinity, match the following. At F, very small, real, inverted. Just beyond C, between C and F, small, real, inverted. At F, at C, small, same size, real, inverted. In between C and F, beyond C, big, real, inverted. At F, rays are parallel. You can't say same size or not. You can't say real or virtual. You can't say inverted or erect. When between F and C, behind the mirror, very big, virtual image and erect. This is the only case of erect. I think you're enjoying by matching like this. So I think you are clear. So thank you one and all. We will meet on the next class.